Hey everyone, it's Q. Today I'll show you the dynamic desktop on the iPod Touch. So let's take a look. Here I have a iPod Touch that I stole from my son for a few minutes while he wasn't looking. I have the Citrix receiver application installed, and I pre-configured it to connect to my Citrix Access Gateway over my home Wi-Fi network. So it's reaching out over the internet, and now it's prompting me for my password. So let me type that in while you're not looking. Okay, now I hit OK on the password. It's authenticating and synchronizing with the list of desktops I can launch. So I can see all the various desktops I have available to me are here. So I tap on my Windows 7 production. It tells me to wait while it's connecting. Okay, this is something that I noticed that the very first time I try to connect, this always happened. It fails to connect and it just gives me a blank screen. So I have to go back to the home screen and try again. And on the second time it usually works. So let's see if that is true. Yes, so I can see the mouse cursor now showing up right here, and it's now updating the screen while it's logging me in. Unlocking the screen and giving me the my screen. So let me turn this sideways so that we have a bit better use of the real estate. You're reviewing now a internet browser window that's a bunch of videos from Brian Madden on his Geek Week video shootout. So as you can see, I can move around the entire screen because this window is much bigger than what the iPod can show. I can shrink the entire screen down to fit, but readability is pretty much useless at this point. But if I zoom in, I guess you could say, then I can start reading and looking at the information pretty well. So that works okay. I can have different gestures I can use here. Let me see if I can launch a video. I'm not sure that will actually work. I don't know if I'm supposed to tap, double tap, not quite sure. Kind of my first experience here, or one of my first experience with it. Okay, here it is. It's opening the page, and somehow I need to scroll down. So this is a bit tricky. I'm not as familiar with the controls here, but I think you have to, I wonder if I can, yeah, I can use these arrows to scroll down. It's a bit of a different paradigm for me here, so let me see if I can actually get this video to play. Let's scroll back up. It seems to be running. It's a bit choppy. There's no, I believe, multimedia acceleration on this, so I think it's not quite as good as it is on a regular desktop. Okay. Stop that. It's quite choppy. The audio is choppy as well, so not a really good experience in multimedia. But I can tell you I've used this for doing my email, and in a pinch it can really work relatively well. Of course, on the iPad with a bigger screen, this would give me a much better experience. Having the small real estate is usable at best. Anyway, there you have it. The dynamic desktop on the iPod Touch. Unscripted, uncut. Thank you.